Hello and welcome to the basics of C++ course. So in this video we'll be discussing about header files. So to start off this series, I'm going to show a basic program which would be fairly complex for a person who does not know C++. But how by the end of this module you should be able to understand every line of the program that we've written. So this is the program. This is a basic code that will compute the value of area for a rectangle and a circle. As of now you might not understand anything, but we will work towards this program. So moving on to header files. What are header files? So now when you're programming in C++, you are going to be doing various operations. So these operations might be repetitive, and C++ is kind of friendly, so it's going to help you out by already having certain inbuilt functions. So certain header files have certain inbuilt functions which you have to import or include into your program so that you can use them. So we're going to take three examples. The first one being IOStream. So this header file stands for input output stream. The popular functions of this header file is cin and cout. Cin is to accept some input from the user, whereas cout is to display some computational value. Second one being a math. So this header file is used for various mathematical operations. The most popular ones being square root and power, sqrt and pow are the abbreviations for those. And you will be using this too very frequently. Now we have the third library, string. So these are usually used to handle words or sentences, which we'll be seeing later in this course. But some popular functions from this library are strcmp and strcpy. strcmp means string compare, so it compares two words and tells you if there's a difference or so and so. And strcpy copies one word into another word. We'll be seeing these details later. So as of now, we know what the first line is, that is hashtag include IOStream. So hashtag include is the syntax to let C++ know that you want to include this header file, that is IOStream, into your program so that you can use the functions cin and cout, which you can see in the for the lines below. And we have the second header file that's included, that is math.h. We included that because we are using the power function that is also highlighted, but then you might not understand how it is used, but we will get to that later. So as of now, you know that you've started off a program with hashtag include IOStream and hashtag include math.h. One more thing you should notice is that in hashtag include math, there's a .h extension. .h stands for .header file, whereas in IOStream I haven't typed .h. The reason being we are using CodeBlocks compiler or CodeBlocks IDE, and this is built in such a way that IOStream does not require a .h extension. However, any other header file that you will be including in future programs does require .h extension. So that's it for now. In the next video, we'll be discussing about how to do basic input-output operations. So stay tuned. Thank you.